Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The traditional attire of Hakka women emphasizes simplicity. Blue and black are usually the colors of choice, as these do not soil easily. Girls also pair these tops with a sky blue color. The blue color of this durable material comes from a natural plant dye and doesn't fade easily.
Yo, it's time to talk about Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Josephine. You know what? This month we're going to focus on clothing. Certain things about clothing, what they wear, what the Hakka people like, and maybe even songs or poems associated with this. I wonder if there is any. We're going to ask Leo right now. Leo 啊，今天来一个挑战好了哦。
好。
除了只是讲衣服之外啊，有没有什么山歌或者是歌谣跟衣服有关？
有啊，一定有的嘛。
一定有吧哈。介绍一个。
我现在介绍这个哈，我只会念不会唱哦。
哦，这样子哦。好，我们来听听看。
成咗南山冠松琴，鋪鋪連來愛叫陣，鋪鋪叫陣愛赤嘅，作菜向前掛菜心。
噗噗，一直听到噗噗
噗噗，
噗噗是什么呢？
噗噗就是一步一步的
哦，步步那样子。
对
Okay, one step at a time. Okay, but we're trying to figure out what this poem or this mountain song is about. 到底里面是在描述什么呢？
这是描述哈，一个女生她很用心的做了一个蓝衫蓝衫呢，要把它缝得很仔细，然后送给她心爱的情郎啦。
Oh, there you go. Of course, when it comes to songs and music, it's always going to be romantic to a certain degree. So this little piece of song right here is about this woman who was making a blue shirt, dyeing it blue to give to someone she really loves. 那有没有什么特别原因是要用蓝色？
蓝色主要是因为植物染的关系，它的基调都是蓝色，对，所以我们就叫蓝衫。
蓝衫 Okay, that is a blue shirt. You're going to see a lot of that in the Hakka culture because from the natural plants that they use, the dye comes out to be blue.
那如果像那个染的过程，你泡的比较久一点，它出来的颜色就会比较深；泡的没那么久，它就是淡蓝色。像女生可能就会比较喜欢像淡蓝色的。
All right, so that's a very interesting song. Again, about clothing. Let's review some of these terms. The color blue, 蓝色。
蓝色。
蓝色。And then the blue shirt, 蓝衫。
蓝衫。
蓝衫。So there you go. That does it for this Talk About Hakka.
什么大家？
俺是谁？张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.